How to use Greenlight Card on Roblox. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this informative video, I'll provide a step-by-step tutorial on effectively using your Greenlight Card for transactions on the popular online platform known as Roblox. This process is user-friendly, and to begin, navigate to the official Roblox website or launch the mobile app, and make sure that you're logged into your specific Roblox account. Locate and click on the Roblox icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then choose the Buy Robux option. Select your preferred Robux package from the list, ensuring that you have enough funds in your Greenlight card. Choose a debit card payment method, input the required details, the card details, and confirm the purchase. You will receive your Robux immediately, enhancing your gaming experience on Roblox. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.